Hi guys, my name is Dijah Alize. If you're new here, if you're not, again, welcome back. Today I am trying this wig from AfSisterWig, which is a company I've never tried before, but I was very impressed. As you'll see in this video, I did try Crimps for the first time, and also this is my first time having a 99J wig in like ages, and I can't lie, I'm really feeling it, as you guys can see, and I think the crimps turned out well. So if you guys are interested in seeing this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned.
Hey girl, hey girl, what this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? Girl, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, if you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. Who you are wrong with? On no game, anytime you're ready, girl. On the game, the face make you fly. In the rain, I make you feel high like on a plane. She said I saw the love, the act. Baseline sweet and I touch this back. Dancing, she love to that. Girl, go to the track. Come wine till you broke off your back. Broke off your back. Broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. If you broke off your back. Broke off your back. Broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue. Know you got the glue. Know you got the glue. Come broke off your back. Broke off your back. Broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, your body hotter than a suntan. You make me turn up at attention. You pretty like the melodies in the song. Plus the cookie know your body. You make your body strong. Girl, any problem you got now with a fix it. And when you dance to me song, it turn a big beat. Up like a drum on a beat. It you tight like a secret. So you feel wine till you broke off your back. Broke off your back. Broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. If you broke off your back. Broke off your back. Broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue. Know you got the glue. Know you got the glue. Come broke off your back. Broke off your back. Broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. Why this make you feel like you? 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 Girl, you want to broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, okay, broke off your back.
Alright, so just to give you guys an update on this wig, it is 20 inches, so it fits me like right up under boob length. As you guys know, I did crimp this wig. I decided not to do baby hair just because I don't know how 99J baby hairs are gonna look, so I decided against that. But this wig again is from AfSisterWig. It did come straight. It was very nice the way it came, but I just got a deep waver or crimper, whatever you want to call it, so I wanted to try it, and I like it. It's giving. It's really giving. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to check my description box for all the details on this hair and on AfSisterWig. As I said, I really enjoyed this wig. The lace was melting and the hair was great. And also don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video and you enjoyed this hair video and you want to check out more. Don't forget to do that. And thank you guys for watching.